how to see saved passwords on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, head over to your settings application inside of your iPhone and make sure your iCloud has backed up every single passwords by enabling this option here, and just head over to your password section in the settings menu. Yeah, this is password sections. Just wait for some time. It will ask you to either enter your face code or passcode, and once you enter here, you will see something like this. Your all social media's passwords saved here. And that is it, guys. That is exactly how you can see your passwords on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos like this. See you in the next one.